Hello and good evening, everyone. How are you all? So we'll be starting the session in next 1 minute. This is about area related to circles in one shot. Lecture number 2, chapter number 11, class 10 maths. Now, what's important in this chapter are two formulas. Yes, we'll be doing practice on that formulas only today. Okay. Area of sector and length of the arc, right? Two formulas are there. So both of the formulas we'll be practicing. Hello, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Am I clearly audible and visible? Is the video is clear? The audio is audible clearly? Yes. Hi. Video clear, audio clear, everything going good. Okay. So class 10 maths areas related to circles, one shot, lecture number 2, lecture number 1 already done. Let's count 3, 2, and 1 and let's start this amazing session without wasting time. So yesterday we solved these type of questions, okay? And I actually told you to learn these two formulas. Have you done this? Area of sector and length of arc. These two formulas. We'll be practicing questions over these formulas today. Okay, no more circle practice. We'll be practicing sector and segments today only. Okay, done. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to like. If you do not like the session, at least dislike. But do something. Move your hands. Use your hands. Okay. These two questions are, say, these are good questions, and this can come in exams also. Okay, this is a type of question, and this can come in exam also. See what the question says. Okay. The question is, the two circles touch externally. Two circles touch externally and some relation is given. Two circles touch externally. Externally would mean one circle is like this, another circle is like this. Okay. Diagram is drawn. These are touching externally. Can you see? Can you see these are touching externally? The screen is clear, I guess. Any problem in the screen or everything is good? Yes, yes, it is clear. It is clear, I guess. Clear. Now, two circles touch externally. The sum of their areas is 130 pi square centimeter. Let the radius of bigger circle is capital R, that of smaller circle is small r. Sum of their areas. Solution number 6. Areas means area 1 plus area 2. Right. It is given 130 pi square meter. Right. It is square meter. Unit remembrance square meter. We have to work in meter. So area 1 will be pi capital R square. Area 2 will be pi small r square. That is 130 pi. If pi gets out common, it is r square plus small r square equals to 130 pi. Pi and pi got cancelled. R square plus small r square equal to 130. This is equation number 1, right? These are two variables, capital R and small r. And distance between their centers is 14 centimeter. Would mean what? Distance between their, okay, this is centimeter square only. Area is also in square centimeter. Okay, square, it is centimeter only. So we can work in centimeter. Okay. So distance between their centers would mean from here till here, it will be capital R plus small r. So capital R plus small r, it's given as 14. So we'll use these two equations to solve and get the answer. Amazing question. It will involve a quadratic equation also. Now see, if we solve this question, see, Okay. So I get capital R is equals to 14 minus small r. Yes or no? I put this equation number 2 in equation number 1. So what do I get? What do I get? Capital R square plus small r square is equal to 130. Instead of capital R, we'll write 14 minus r. 14 minus small r whole square plus r square equals to 130. You open the bracket, a minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 14 square, 196 plus small r is r square. Minus 2ab would mean 2 into 14, that is 28r plus r square equal to 130. So r square plus r square, it is 2 small r square. It is same minus 28r and plus 196. Move this 130 to left hand side, equal to will be 0. Equal to will be equals to 0. Clear? Okay. So it is 2r square minus 28r. Now this is 196 and 130 are like terms. So plus 196 and minus 130 will be plus 66 equals to 0. Divide whole equation by 2. What do we get? It will be r square minus 14r plus 33 and that's equals to 0. So we have to find two numbers to which we multiply, it gets 33 and add we'll get 14. 11 and 3. 11 3s are 33. 11 and 3 is 14. So r square minus 3r minus 11r plus 33 equals 0. Common, take out r common. It is r minus 3 minus 11 common. R plus will become minus and this 3. Splitting the middle term, having problems, search on YouTube. Middle term splitting or splitting the middle term, write down Matholics at the end and you'll get the video. Splitting the middle term, Matholics, you'll get the video. Into r minus 11 equals to 0. Quadratic equation, I already told you how to solve it. So r minus into r minus 11, I'll say either small r equal to 3 or small r equals to 11. So capital R is what? 14 minus r. Would mean 14 minus 3, that means 11. And capital R will be equals to 14 minus small r, that means 14 minus 11, that's 3. So simply we can see the set which is acceptable is this one. Capital R cannot be smaller than small r. 3 cannot be the bigger than 11, okay. So answer will be r equals to 11 and small r equals to 3. This is the answer. Copy it. Find out the radius. So radius we just found out to be 11 and 3 centimeters. Copy it. Okay, this was the solution. Copy, 2 minutes. Done? Okay, let's move forward. So this was one type of question in which circles were touching outside. Now we'll do circle will touch inside. Circle will touch inside. See, question is again beautiful question, but you just have to check that circle whether it is touching inside or outside. Okay, this is the question. Now, two circles touch internally. One circle is this, another circle is this. Okay. If you draw the diagram like this, one circle is this, and another circle is, say this is the circle. Okay. So if this is the center of one circle, this is center of another circle, they are touching internally. This is the point of contact. Okay. Now let's say this is center A, this is center B. Okay. Now what does it say? It says two circles touch internally. The sum of their areas is 116. Okay. So we'll write A1 plus A2 equal to 116 pi. Okay. And the distance between the center is 6. This will be the distance between the centers. See, this is the distance between the center. And this is given as how much? 6. It is 6. So we see properly, this distance is capital R, radius of the smaller, larger circle, sent from center to this. And this distance is small r. So 6 is what? Capital R minus small r. We can write capital R minus small r as 6. Got this point or no? Understood this point or no at least? Hello, good evening, Radhe Radhe. Hello. Tell me yes or no. You have to actually focus what is r plus r and r minus r, okay? It's r plus r and r minus. Got this point? See, in previous question, the circles were touching internally. See, in this question, externally, sorry, circles were touching externally. So we wrote, okay, this distance is uh, capital R, this one is small r, so their addition will be what? Capital R plus small r. Okay. But in this question, circles are touching internally. So from center to this is capital R, and this part is small r. So this white part from A to B, it will be capital R minus small r. Okay. So I got 92 in maths. आपकी वजह से बहुत बढ़िया. I'm proud of you. Thank you so much. From where you are, Sunny? From where you are actually? Okay, that's so good. So let's move ahead. Now see, capital R minus small r is this. So we have to use this obviously. Obviously we'll use. We'll write okay that capital R is actually equals to 6 plus small r. This we'll use. Okay. Now this equation pi capital R square plus pi area of circle that's equals to 116 pi. Take out pi common and cancel them. So r square plus small r square equals to 116. Now we have to solve this equation same as in the previous question. Same technique we are going to use. Okay. Okay, let's move forward. Now see. Now we will use r minus small r. Okay. If you square, we have to use this thing. Capital R equals to 6 plus small r into this equation. Right. So instead of capital R, I'll write 6 plus r or r plus 6 whole square plus small r square equal to 116. Start solving. 36 plus r square plus 12r plus r square equal to 116. So r square plus r square is 2r square plus 12r. It is plus 36 and minus 11. 116 and that's equals to 0. So finally what equation we got? It is 2r square plus 12r. 36 minus 116, what it will be? Tell me in the comments. 36 minus 116, tell me. Tell me. 36 minus 116, tell me. Come on fast. Tell me. You have to draw diagrams also like this. What is 36 minus 116? Fine. So it will be minus 80. Minus 80 and that's equals to 0. Divide this equation by 2. What we'll get? Tell me. We'll get r square plus 6r minus 40 equal to 0. Now you have to find two numbers of product will be minus 40 because product is negative. So middle term will be difference. 10 and 4 difference will be 6. So r square plus 10r minus 4r minus 40 equal to 0. Take out common. R is common bracket r plus 10 minus 4 is common. R minus will be plus. It is 10 and that's equals to 0. So r plus 10 into r minus 4 equals 0. R will be minus 10 or R will be 4. This will be rejected. Radius cannot be negative. So capital R will be equals to 6 plus small r, that means 6 plus 4, that means 10. So like bigger radius will be 10 centimeters. Smaller radius will be 4 centimeters. Copy it. That's it. Copy. 1 minute copy. I'll move forward. I guess it's done now. Okay, let's remove this question. Everyone must have copied. The wheel of a cart is making this revolution per second. No, this question. Okay, see this orally. The wheel of a cart is making 5 revolutions per second. There is a wheel. There is a wheel. It makes 5 revolutions per second. Would mean what? Uh, it is revolving 5 times in 1 second. Okay. Statistics chapter कब पढ़ोगे? Very soon when the time arises, when the correct time comes. Okay. So 5 revolutions per second. Okay. If the diameter of the wheel is 84 centimeter, dia is what? Dia is 84 centimeter. So radius will be 42 centimeter. First do this thing. We do not have to do anything with, we actually don't want to use diameter. We want to use radius. Okay. So radius will be what? Radius will be half of diameter. Okay. Half of this 84. Find its speed in kilometer per hour. It is making 5 revolutions per second. Okay. So in time equal to 1 second, the distance which this wheel goes, 1 revolution, second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. That means what? It is going in this direction. Okay. If it was rotating means on the same axis it is rotating. But it is revoluting. Revoluting means it is going in this direction. It is going in this direction. Okay. Revolutions. So distance traveled is 5 revolutions. And 5 revolution means 5 into 1 circumference, that is 2 pi r. That is 5 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 42. This much centimeter distance it will travel in 1 second. This much centimeter distance it will travel in 1 second. So I'll write what? I will write, simply I'll write, okay. So distance will be what? 7 ones are and 7 six are. So that is 5 twos are 10. 10 into 22 into 6, it is 132. Right? So it is 1320 centimeters distance. But we have to find the speed. So speed will be equals to distance upon time, because distance is actually equals to what? Speed into time. Everyone of you must be knowing this. Distance formula is s into t. So s will be d upon t. So distance we have to take in kilometers first. Okay. So this 1320 first converted into meter then kilometer. So it will be 1320 divided by 100 meters. That means 13.2 meter. Now this will be 13.2 upon 1000 kilometers. Got this point? Yes or no? Right? 1320 upon 100, so it is meter. Divided by 100, centimeter will get converted into meter. But how meter into kilometer? Divided by 1000. Right? Okay. And time in hours. So time is actually what? First 1 by 60 second, then again you divide it by 60, so it will be 1 by 3600 hours. Yes or no? 1 second equal to 1 by 3600 hours. So we'll write distance as 13.2 upon 1000, 13.2 upon 1000 whole upon divided by what? 1 by 3600. Got this point? Yes or no? This will be the speed in kilometers per hour. This will be the speed. Do not forget to like. Come on, conjuice. Do not forget to like. Okay, we'll solve this now. So now how to calculate? See, this will be 13.2 upon 1000 into 3600 upon 1. 2 zeros got cancelled with 2 zeros. It is simply 13.2. This point will go. So multiplied by 10 will be there. So 132 into 36 whole upon 10 into 10, it is 100. So what is 132 into 36? Anyone? What is 132 into 36? It will be 4752. Yes, I have used calculator to just save the time. 4752 upon 100. So final answer will be what? It will be 47.52 kilometers per hour will be the final speed. I guess everyone must have got this point. Okay. Okay, 47.52 is the correct answer in kilometers per hour. So round off if you do 47.52. But What the question says? Give your answer correct to nearest kilometer. Correct to nearest kilometer. So if nearest kilometer you will round off, it is more than 0.5 after the decimal. So you'll round it as 48 because it is 0.5 and more than 0.5 or 0.5. Even it was 0.50, we must have done is 48. 47 and upper number than this. So 47 kilometer per hour is the correct answer. Okay. So this is the correct answer. This is not the correct answer. Copy it. So I'll do this like, wait. Okay. Now you can copy this. 1 minute, copy. Some people actually go from the class and they think that sir is not aware of this, that we are leaving the class. They think so. There is nothing to see on the downside. Okay, let's move forward. So this was pretty simple type of question, not so difficult. Now we'll solve questions related to these sectors. Huh? Okay, starting up with this question. Okay. So see this question. Question says a chord of a circle. Question number 14. Right. It says chord of a circle. This is chord of a circle. Chord of a circle of radius 14 centimeter makes a right angle at the center. Okay. Calculate the area of the minor segment and major segment. Segment, I have told you what are segments. If this is the chord, this is the chord. This lower one is minor segment. It is minor segment. It is minor segment. Okay, and this up bigger one, it will be major segment. Okay. Now a chord of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. There is a chord. We'll make the diagram again. Let's say this is a circle and this is the chord. Okay. Let's say the chord is AB. Okay. This chord, radius is 14 centimeter. We'll note down. Okay. Makes a right angle at the center. If this is the center, you join this. So this angle is 90 degrees. The center is O. Okay. Calculate the area of the minor segment of the circle. C. We have to find area of this. Okay. So for finding area, well, that's it. This is given and nothing else is given. Okay. Now let's calculate. Let's calculate it from scratch. Also, this chord joining two sides. Chord AB is the chord and this is the radius. This is R. This is 14. This is 14 and this is also 14. Now, see. To find area of this segment, we must know area of segment equals to area of this sector minus area of triangle. Okay, this is the basic formula. You must note it down. Okay, note down right now. How does it come? See, if you have to find, you will find first this area, this complete area. Out of this, if you remove, if you remove this part, we'll get the down part, yes or no? Out of this yellow part, if you remove this part, so what will be left? This segment will be left. So we have to find this segment. Okay. So to find area of segment, you must find first area of sector. Yes or no? You must find first area of sector. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Exactly. Yes. Just find area of sector. First, we have to find area of sector. Okay. So we'll use area of sector's formula. Area of, we'll use it. Area of sector. What it is? Theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta here? What is theta? If you can see, we have to find area of this sector. What is theta? Theta is this angle. This angle is what? 90 degrees given. So 90 by 360 into what is pi? Pi will be 22 by 7. And what is radius? Radius will be 14 square. Got it? Yes or no? We have found area of sector like this. Okay. Now, this 14, 90 and 360, 9 ones are 9 fours are. 2 twos are 2 11s are, right? So it is 11 into 14 square would mean 14 into 14 whole upon 2 into 7 is left. 2 sevens is 14, cancel 114. So 11 into 14, it will be 140 and 14, 154 centimeter square. This is what? Area of sector, right? Got this point? Yes, sir. Area of sector is this. Now, to find area of triangle is going to be really, really interesting. You have to find area of this triangle, You have to find area of this triangle, okay? So if you see, to find area of this triangle, this will be base, this will be height. So area of triangle will be half into base into height. Half into base into height. You simple write area of sector as 154 minus area of triangle as half into base into height. And what are the base and height of this triangle? Obviously, this is hypotenuse. So base and height are 14 and 14. So we'll write 154 minus half into 14 into 14. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So it is nothing but 154 minus 7 14s will be 98. So what's remaining is 56 centimeter squares area of the segment. Got it? Yes or no? 56 centimeter square. Correct. Right? This is first part, area of minor segment. Right? First copy this thing, then we'll find area of the major segment also. Area of major segment, how to find? Okay, do it right now. This is area of segment, but minor one, minor segment. So area of major segment will be equals to area of major segment. Can anyone tell me in the comments? Area of major segment will be complete circle minus this thing. So area of circle minus area of smaller segment. Simply area of circle minus area of small segment. That means what will be area of circle? It will be pi r square. What is area of smaller segment? It is 56. So you must calculate it and find the answer. Copy it. I am waiting. Okay, copy and get me the answer for major segment. Complete circle minus area of smaller segment. uh 560. Let's see. Let's see. Pi r square would mean 22 by 7 into r square is what? 14 into 14 minus 56. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. It's 22 into 44 into 14 minus 56. 14 fours are 56. 14 fours are 56 and 5. 616 minus 56. Yes, beta. 560 centimeters squares. Very good. 560 centimeters squares is the correct answer for area of larger segment. 560 centimeters squares, it is very much correct. Clear? Sorted? So this is how we'll be doing questions. Okay. Done. So next part. So I guess you must have learned how to find area of sector. Okay. Again, we'll be finding area of sector of this question also. The minute hand of a clock is 10.5 centimeter long. Question says, what the question says? Question says is minute hand of a clock, minute hand. You know, clock and all questions, these are famous questions. If these questions come, no one is going to get rescued. Okay. See, I will be solving. Okay. The minute hand of a clock is 10.5. A clock, obviously, it is a circle. Okay, sir. It is a circle. Done, sir. It is a circle. Now, minute hand is 10.5 centimeters long. That means if it is the minute hand, if this is the minute hand, okay, this is radius and radius is 10.5 centimeters. Yes or no? Yes or no? Got the point? It is 10.5 centimeter. Done. Now, what else it is given? See, minute hand. Find the area swept by it in 15 minutes. Area swept by it in 15 minutes. That means time equals to, it is given 15 minutes. Can you tell me in 15 minutes how much this minute hand will move? If this is 0, this is 15. Till 15 it will be here. Till 30 it will be here. Till 45 it will be here. It is 15 minutes. After 30 minute hand will be here. After 45 minute it will be here. And after 60 minute it will be here. If it is going like in this direction. Okay. So after 15 minutes, I can say this is the area swiped. Yes or no? What is the area swept? So this hand will come into this direction. So can I say this will become a sector? So I just have to find area of sector. And area of sector formula is what you are very much aware of. I've told you theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta for this sector? What is theta? Anyone in the comments? What is theta in this question, in this sector? $90 degrees. Degrees or degrees? Ritik Gamer. 90 degrees or 90 degrees? 90 degrees. It will be 90 degrees. Yes, theta will be 90 degrees. For this question, I can say theta equals to 90 degrees. This thing. Okay. So, will be 90 by 360. And that's into pi means 20 by 7. And r square would mean 10.5. Can I write it? R square as 10.5 into 10.5? Yes. Right? R square, 10.5 square, 10.5 to 10.5. These 2 points gone. So, denominator, it will be 100. 91s are 94s are 2 2s are 2 11s are. Now this is 7 1s are 7, 7s are 3, 7 5s are 35. So it is again 5. See this thing. You do one thing. 5 2s are, it is 0, and 5 2s are 10, it is 5 1s are 5. Okay, this is multiply. So answer will be nothing but 11 into 15 into 21 upon 2 into 20. Right. Instead do this thing. This will be very much easier for you. See, instead of cancelling everything, I must tell you, wait, how to cancel? See, this thing okay, upon 100 it is okay. 91s are, 94s are, it is also okay. But 2 2s are and 2 11s are, it is also okay. Right. Now, 7 1s are and 7 15s are, it is also okay. Do not cancel this. We have done this cancellation, no? Do not do this cancellation. Do not cancel 100. Do not cancel 100. Okay. Instead of cancelling, you do one thing. This is 2. This is 2. Instead of cancelling, do one thing. This is 11 into 15 into 105 and whole upon 2 into 100. You find out this divided by 2. Simple 2 decimals on the left side, answer will be there. So 11 into 15 into 1500 will be 11 into 15 is 165. Yes, 150 and 15. 165 multiplied by 105. Do it. 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 32, 5 1s are 5, 8. 0, 0, 0. 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1. Do it like this. It is 2, it is 5, 8 and 5, 13, it is 7, 17325. So it is 17325 upon 2 into 100. Now divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 13, 2 6 are 12, then 12, 2 6 are 12, 5, 2 2s are 4.5. Now 8662.5 upon 100, answer will be 86.625. Round off to 2 decimal, answer will be 86.62 centimeter squares is my final answer for this question. 86.63. 86.63, yes, obviously. 86.63. Round off. We have done round off now. This 2 will become 3. 86.63 centimeter squares is my answer. Copy this, and that's it for today. Copy this. Keep on copying. I am overing this class, but this is in front of you. Okay. Keep on copying. That's it for today. Try to find out, try to solve it by yourself. Instead of copying, try to solve yourself, right? So that's it. We'll meet tomorrow evening. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Good night.